If you are in charge of power in America, and they have never had a blackout in the last 20 or 30 years, it's not like Kenya where blackouts come at the slightest rumor of rain, stima zimepotea.
You have a PPP proposal that comes and tells you that they want to do the national grid. They want to do the national grid, but phase one is shoring up support around Nairobi. When there's 3/4 of a country that is not on the grid. If I receive a PPP proposal and the person is telling me the first thing I'm going to do, phase one, Sifuna, is to take power to Mandera, I will accept. But you can't tell me you are going to show up support in Nairobi. If you look at the spirit of this constitution, even why we have the equalization fund, we needed to bring these marginalized areas to the level of services enjoyed by the rest of us. Even if we are having blackouts 2 days, those people are not on the grid. Can they first be on the grid? Then we all agree that we will be receiving electricity once or twice a week. That is who we are. When you tell me that you want to do a new terminal at the airport and a new runway at the airport, but when I ask you to show me your project proposal, the first phase is not building a new runway. It is going to manage services at the existing facility.